Hello, how's everyone doing? Awesome. I had a little bit of technical difficulty, but it appears that I'm back in action, so that's good. Alright. Today's plan is essentially a small little commission that someone asked me to do for them. And it's essentially taking this model right here, this Baroque picture frame, made by Zemba Craftworks on Printables.com, and essentially making it so that, let's take a look at the file. Yeah, essentially taking this 3D model, oh, sorry, my CAD mouse doesn't work with it, and essentially putting some magnets on the back, as well as maybe a plate, just so that you can stick a photo into it without too much difficulty, and kind of have it hang on something that's magnetic, whether that may be a fridge, a little thing, or kind of whatever. And so that's the plan for today, is just to make both a little thing that goes behind it so that it can be held on, and embed magnets into it so that it can do stuff. And it's kind of a neat little print, I must say, like, pretty cool. I like it. I wish this person the best. And I hope that they get more downloads and views. But yeah, it's a very cool looking, nice little picture frame. Yeah. So hopefully, we do them good justice. So, onwards. Alrighty, so we're in Fusion 360. Now, I've already imported this design, if I'm not wrong. So this one came as an STL. Dear Lord. And it apparently is a mesh, so it's like a 3D scan almost, which is cool. I think it should also be... Is it not a body? No, it's a mesh body. Let's try and make it into an actual body. And I remember doing this a very long time ago in one of my very early on attempts at making like the skull and some other stuff. But here we are. Alright, awesome. Let's get to it. So usually for mesh stuff, you kind of have this nice little tab over here called Mesh. And you should be able to make it into a body quite easily, actually. Here's a combine. I don't quite remember because it's been a while since I last did this, but let's see what we gotta do. I'm just gonna... Yeah, let's explore here. Combine. Target body. Join. No, not that. It's not a shell. Prepare. Create. I don't remember. Maybe it's already a body and I don't need to do anything. I mean, it is a body. It's a mesh body. But I don't quite remember whether I can work with it or not. Let's try it. Let's try working with it. First thing I'm going to try and do is make a little plate over here. And then probably not embedded within the plate, but at least on the... Well... This is a fun one. So, on top of this, what I might do is I might draw a sketch. Push this inwards just a tad bit. If I can. Or at least pull this... outwards, just slightly. Enough that there's enough clearance for me to put a plate on it. Once I have enough clearance to put a plate on it, kind of embed magnets through that, and then hopefully it has enough strength to actually hold on to whatever it needs to hold on to. Now, in front of me, I have some little magnets, some rectangular magnets. They are quite strong, at least for their size, which is why I want to use them. Just because of that reason, is that they're decently... They got some decent strength to them. I'm gonna take 2 out. It's kind of like in a cube. a little unstable now. So these are neodymium magnets. I don't have my camera set up for it, unfortunately, but neodymium magnets, well, they're not that strong connecting to other to like non-neodymium stuff. I wonder if it'll even be able to hold on to. Nah, it can definitely hold on to stuff. It feels strong enough. I mean, this is part of the test. I guess what I'll start off with first is testing whether it can, which is the whole point. Engineering is a lot about prototyping. So I'm gonna see if it actually fits on it, and then I don't know where to put the magnets now because they stick to everything. Okay. Yeah. Essentially, yeah. I might make a first prototype, see how that goes. If it goes well, great. If it doesn't, try again. I'm gonna try and make this first prototype somewhere where I can salvage the magnets. With the final design, what I will do is I will encapsulate them, but for the first design, I'm going to kind of have them salvageable somehow. So we'll see how that goes. Alright. Let's try. Let's create a sketch. Oh, it won't let me move? Why not? I don't even have you locked. Oh, okay. Well, that's what I want to. Alright, I'm getting a call, so I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. So currently I'm actively applying for jobs because I recently graduated, and that's kind of where I was. I was receiving phone calls from a couple of recruiters that were looking to hire me, or at least looking to set up an interview with me. I hope. Currently there are two contract positions and two contract positions and two full-time hiring positions. So hopefully it works out well. Anyways, back to what we were doing. This has been quite the roller coaster of days, I must say. Yeah. And so something I noticed is that our sketch plane is in the middle of, yeah, it's kind of in the middle. Not something I want. Oh, neat. Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can adjust the sketch plane. Sketch. This is clearly the top. Yeah, right. It's just kind of nice because I don't know. I'm just thinking about all the hardships that so far I've had this past year, and it's good to have hope. And that's kind of what I've been kind of getting a lot of, is just hope. But hopefully this time it sticks. Stick. But where is our offset? Let's check this out. 1 millimeter. Hmm. 30 millimeters. Can I choose like the? Can I choose this face? Nope, won't. Okay. I think what I might have. Well, it is a body. It is a sketched body. It's a mesh. It's a mesh body. And I want to know why it's being that way. I would like to call it it's being stinky. I have no idea. Well, we can probably brute force it. I'm pretty sure. Well, there's definitely a way of doing this properly, but I think it might be time to brute force it because I kept you guys waiting for so damn long. Not that there's anyone here. That's adorable. Let's see. Wait, why is it offset? It's centered on my screen, right? That's better. Okay. Trying to think. Okay, so these magnets should be about, I think, 2 millimeters tall, 3 millimeters wide, and 10 millimeters long. I'm sorry to those who don't speak metric, but I was born outside of the US, and therefore you have to stick with it. Plus, metric is understandable. To me at least. But, as I say, we shall see. This one? Okay. Did I not do it the first time? Sorry, my mom's texting me. Alrighty, let's get back into it. Should be 50. Zoom in. Bruh. 3, 5. 3, 4. 3, 3. Oh! I think that's it. Nice. This is the plan. It's always when you want to stream or do something important, do people start messaging you all the time. But it's nice. Means people care. Well, the plane is there. Can I create a sketch on it now? Well, let me try. What happens if I delete this sketch? Okay, the plane is still there, so that's good. It's still offset. Where are you, Mr. Plane? Okay, yeah, it appears to still be offset, so that's good. It is, yeah, okay, good. If it wasn't, I was gonna be... The nice thing is that it is, stop doing that. I'm hitting the fit button and it's zooming in into that one little space. That's not what I wanted to do. But here we are. Okay, now that we have this, I wonder if we can actually start doing our shenanigans. So I might put a magnet here and a magnet here, and then on this side, probably 2 more magnets. Well, that's... I don't know. Because I need 4 magnets in total to connect everything, so maybe not the best idea. But... maybe it can be sandwiched, maybe it can be a press fit. We'll see. But definitely 2 magnets here and here, just for the sake of simplicity, and it keeps it there. So let's start off with that. Let's make some construction lines just because it's gonna help us out. It's not straight. Ay. And I thought it was. I wonder if we can start a midpoint line. Yeah, because none of these have, like, it's all triangles. So it has no sense of, like, an actual edge or anything, unfortunately. But let's see what we can do here. Things haven't stopped us in the past, so why should they stop us now? Yeah. Even the music agrees, which I really hope you can hear. I think you can hear. Yeah, you can. Okay, awesome. I hope it's not too loud. Can I do that? Okay, so now that's a component. Let's try and... Ooh! That changed a bunch of things. But, oh, that's nice. At least I can probably move it an exact amount, I pray. No. This should be good enough. That's pretty on there. And now let's try and do this one. This should be negative something. Now hopefully it is actually... It's not. Still not centered. No! That's weird. It appears to be centered down there, but it's not centered up here. Weird. Might be offset slightly. Might be even twisted. This is the loveliness of GD&T, ain't it? Let's see, I'm gonna start spinning this thing around. Yeah, I see it gyrating. Why am I 45? It shouldn't be 45. Again, I don't even know anymore. Yeah, then it puts it at a 45. Makes no sense. Huh. That's interesting. Anyways. I mean, yeah. I've had this CAD mouse for a while. I don't get to use it very often. But I'm happy that I get to use it while I'm streaming and, you know, doing CAD. Oh shit, what up? Okay, cool. Someone said something. Neat. Oop, that was a weird noise. Didn't like that. Okay, cool. Give me a second, I'm checking something real quick. This is cute. Okay, awesome. Back to work. Yeah, this is gonna be a bit of a challenge now, isn't it? And I don't know if it's because of the plane itself or what the potential issues might be, but I think it's just the way it is. I think I'm just gonna have to freeball it. I mean, it's straight down here, but then it's skewed up here, which makes me wonder whether this itself is just like, come on, man, components, the entire thing. Yeah, the entire thing. Can I not, like, Okay, that's not doing anything. Can I move and copy you? Well, it's not doing anything to it, so I guess I can't really move it. Maybe that's the issue, is that I thought I moved it, but I guess I didn't. Let's try. No, I can move it left and right. That's good. And it's centered down here, just not centered up there, so I'm assuming it's just a something. Alright, anyways, back to work. For the 7th time. Where is it? Sketch. Off with our construction lines as per usual. Honestly, I might just... Just like a... How do I turn off the snap? So it might just be 9.03. I mean, it does... Take it off the snap. I don't want the snap. Looks like I'm gonna say it's approximately like that. I'm gonna just dimension it. Because this seems straight. I really hope so. So I don't quite know what that issue is. But it does work. It's going straight. I don't know. Anyways. We shan't surrender. Yeah, I mean, it works. I'm trying to see. Yeah. Sorry about my old man voice. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna make this horizontal, dimension it to be 2,000 millimeters. Probably not. 100? Nope, doesn't like that. 900. You can be 1,800. Lovely. You can be... This is terrible GD&T practice, but I mean, like, if you're making a drawing, don't draw it like this. Be a little bit more, like, smart about it. This is just construction lines. These don't matter. These won't even show up on a drawing or anything, or they shouldn't. But yeah. We'll just keep that there. And then, lovely little thing. Wonder why this is still, like, I can move. Ah, that's why. So that's the thing we have about what's it called? Undefined sketches. Essentially, they can be well, you can move them. They can be moved. So usually in Fusion 360 it means with this orange construction line for this example, or like blue if you're making an actual line, it means that it's undefined or not fully defined, which means it can move around if you pull on it and tug on it like you just saw me do. So in this case, I'm gonna dimension this, and that's gonna be 0.3. That's fine. Now how? Oh yeah, and then this probably needs to be like somehow constrained, but I really also don't want it to be constrained. I want it to be exactly where it is because I know that this is going to be a thing. So I'm gonna move it around. Okay, so it moves left and right. Interesting. So I might just leave it. So I'm gonna do this, Control Z. I'm actually gonna, what's the word? Just say it's exactly this far apart. Because it shouldn't need to move. So now this is fully defined, that's fully defined, great. Now we can actually start doing funky stuff. Alrighty, rectangle, it's a rectangle for the ease. We're gonna start off over here, in the middle of it all. And probably something like this. Let's see. We want our thing to be kind of thin. Oh, shoot. I really hope... Oh, no. This isn't scaled properly now that I realize it because it's a mesh. E. Let's do this for now. I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm going to make sure it's scaled properly because that's going to be a huge problem when we try and print and, you know, it's not to scale. So this, I'm going to name for the sake of it, client. Wanted almost like a 2x4-ish photo to be kind of put in there, but I think they're going to have to stick with something a little bit more square. And I think that's like fine. Because it's just a photo. It doesn't have to, I mean, I'm doing this for kind of, never mind. According to the design requirements, it needs to be able to stick to a metallic surface, a ferrous metallic surface, hence the magnets, and portray the photo of someone's pet. And so yeah, that's what it needs to do, and that's what it will do. And hopefully it won't be like, I don't know, 18 inches long. So let's scale. Yes, that entity. Uniform. I don't know what they mean by the point. I guess that's the point. Okay. Yes, that entity. I don't want to make it smaller. Well, right now it's about 2,000. Sorry, I was having some coffee. Yeah. It's about like 2,000 something. Wait, is it not letting me do the thing? Let me do the thing. No. Okay, there we go. There was something that popped up on my screen. Yeah, okay, so now we gotta actually figure out what scale this is, because it's, like, absurd. Where's our measure? Inspect. Yes. Just gonna put one there. Then we can... this John is quite upset with me. It is 2,163 millimeters currently, which I don't quite know what that is in inches. 10 inches? Almost, so 2163 divided, well, divided by 24.5. Huh? Sorry. 88 inches? Well, yeah, that is 2 meters. Never mind. Yeah, I forgot the metric system existed at one point. Let's start by making it a lot smaller than 2 meters. Where did it go? The scale. Scale. 0.1. Now it's 200 millimeters, which should be well, somewhat a lot more manageable, I guess. Yeah, the downside is that oh Lord, what has happened? Alright, we're just gonna have to restart the sketch. I mean, just for the sake of sanity. Let us move it. Wait, this is the top. I don't want the top, I want the bottom. Which is probably why it was doing that weird stuff. And by weird stuff, I mean that, where it's disconnected. But why is it also hovering? Ay, ay, ay. Finish sketch. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, now I can't even see it. I mean, it's there. So we'll just put it in there. Okay. I don't think we need the precision as I was initially intending. It's a 3D print, not a CNC machined component. Now, yeah, if I was doing this professionally, I would be a lot more... a lot more strict on what the hell is happening, rather than just doing stuff. So let's try and move this again, and hopefully it works. Nope. I want components. And that's my component. I wish there was a coincident to this. Nope, it doesn't like that. I wonder if that would have worked, actually. That would have been funny. Copy. Ay, 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 not again. Oh. Oh. Bruh. I guess it's no longer a component? Is it a body? What is it? Guess it's a body now. Oh, it's not that. Ay, ay, ay. What a time to be alive. Ooh. Well, that's what I want it to be. But now it just doesn't want to. Why is it offset? Okay, finish. That's totally what I want. Now please, can I move you? Please say yes. This guy. You're a component. I want to move you. Yeah, I think I have to move it as a body. The music isn't helping. No, that might be. No, it's not. I was gonna say, oh, that might be it, but no, it's being funky. Ay, ay, ay. Not bad. Yeah, we'll keep it there. And you, my unfortunate friend, are gonna be stuck there. Rotate? Can I? Axis. Yes. Okay. Three. Oh, up at -3. Nope. That's even worse. -1. It's getting there. 1.5. Nope. -0.5. That looks kind of straight to me. So I'm gonna say, okay. We're gonna move it ever so slightly to the left. Oh, I just want to translate. Just a very slight amount. That's not slight at all. At least we can start off with 1.5. That's close enough to me. 1.4. No, wait, what? Okay, it's good over here. Not so good over here, but I think that's good enough. Good enough for what I needed to do. And of course it doesn't line up. It doesn't matter. It's gonna be in line. It just needs to be in line with this, and I think that's fine. It was a 3D scan. It wasn't. I don't think this was made in CAD. Or Blender. It could have been in Blender. I don't know. But here we are. pencil sketches. Start off with let me go to printable. I mean, not to printables. I remember embedding this magnet into something in the past, so I'm gonna just double check and make sure that it actually is the size that I think it is, because it looks like 1 by... Ah! Yeah, 1 by 2 by like 10 millimeters. That's what it appears to be like 2 by 10 in width and length, and then 1 millimeter tall. Oh, tall. Sorry, I almost dropped it. Two. 10. But I'm gonna make it 10 point. Mm. 5. And 2.5. Oh no, that's 5. 2.5. Oh. Yes. I'm gonna make that a little bit more that way. That way we can have... Be gone. Is this not a circular rectangle? Okay, I guess not. I guess... Oh, well. We can draw some lines connecting these. And that should be good enough. I'm just gonna make these lines coincident with, or at least the center of it coincident with the axis. I guess it's, yeah, I think it is this one. Well, it's not creating a little dot in there, so that's not good. So I guess I'll do that with... Yeah. Well, I feel like this is... Yep, that's gonna do that. Well, no. No, it's fully defined. Never mind. Yeah, this was a lot more complicated than I thought, but that's what we live for, challenges. 2.5. Do that. And make sure that this is 0.75. Okay, another thing you can do in Fusion is you can do 2.5 divided by 2. And that'll give you exactly what it is, so. I like that when CAD programs do that. So you can also set this as a parameter. So let's say if you wanted it slightly more offset or whatever, you can put in like P or D1 or whatever, and in your, I think, utilities or somewhere in your like modifications or somewhere, I need to revise. There are parameters that you can put in. Essentially, you can just say like, hey, I want D1 to be equal to this, and as you're working in your parameters, you don't have to go in CAD to change anything. You can just change it, and then the model will update appropriately for you. And so that's what we call parametric modeling, and it's quite handy when you're trying to do things pretty quick and on the fly, and not necessarily like wait on stuff. But one thing I will do is do that. So that's 81. How about we make that 80 for the sake of simplicity? Is it a fully defined sketch? It looks to be. So now what we can do... Not yet. to be... Oh, that's why. I want it to be mirrored. Yeah. I can mirror that. Oh. Whoops. Okay, okay. I guess in this case, I'm not supposed to do that. What I am supposed to do is... Why is it an L there? I don't know. Oh, it's because it's coincident. Oh, because it's not flat, that's why. Anyways. Mirror. There we go. I want these objects. Okay, can't mirror dimensions, unfortunately, but here's the mirror line. I want you to mirror it across this. And whoa, would you look at that? It's here without much of any work. And I'll say, okay, and it's now there. But there's an issue here. The magnet might obstruct some of the features, and I don't want that. So what I will do is I'll make this slightly taller, because I have space here, and I do have space down here. Sorry, and I do have space down here. So what I will do is, whatchamacallit, change how far away this is. So let's change it to 85. And see how that affects it. And oh, would you look at that, it's out of the way now. Nice. So I'll finish that sketch. And I will extrude it. Extrude that one. And that one. And let's see what happens, because I'm curious to know. I'm gonna do a two-side because it's kind of acting weird. Gonna cut it. Oop. No, I don't want it to join. I want it to cut. Huh. Not symmetric. Two sides. I can't cut into the body? Wait, maybe I can. Nope, it doesn't recognize. No, it doesn't recognize it. This is interesting. Fun MFKN times. What do you mean? It's right there. Body. Maybe if I cut it like all the way down here, all the way up there. Cut this. Okay. Let's go back a little bit and try and figure out why this isn't considered a body when it should be. It's a mesh body. I don't want it to be a normal body. Can I modify this? Convert? What is it like? Ah! Sorry. This is how you do it. There we go. Method, prismatic, faceted, prismatic. Yeah, prismatic. I think prismatic would be better. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Let it work. Do your magic. Oh, the fans are spooling up. I'm currently looking at what it's trying to pull. So right now it's working on with the GPU. Quite hot, actually. Well, not hot, but using 64% of the GPU. That could also be OBS, just streaming through. You guys can't see what's on my screen right now, but right now I have my... what's it called? My task manager up, and I'm just looking at the CPU go up to 9%, 10% of its usage, but mostly I think it's being handled by the GPU. Continue. Just chill. switch to this screen? Oh wow, it doesn't even let me show you guys this screen anymore. There it is. That's nice. Okay, so you guys can see the fusion screen. You guys can stick to the fusion screen. Or actually, better yet, how about this? I'll put you guys there. GPU still running. Close task manager. You know what? I think it might be time for a bathroom break. So yeah, go ahead. Do what you gotta do. I'll be back. Hello, I'm back. Okay. Well, Fusion seems to be back. Nope, it's not. It's not back. It's still working. It's scratching its head. But, I guess for the time being, we can just look at this. Printables.com. I'm quite excited about this. I really hope something nice comes through with this. But these are some cool things, man. Like, people are very creative. Like, I like that. This is almost like a machinist jack, but, yeah. Like that. That would be a fun little doohickey to have. So let us explore. Yeah. Magnetic cable clips. Interesting. I like that. But yeah, I mean, there's a bunch of stuff that people make that I'm just like, huh. Why didn't I think of that? I like that. Oh, that's kind of cool, actually. I might think of doing that. But we'll see. Interesting. This would be a nice little SLA print, not gonna lie. So I have my collections. Kind of goes in all of it. This is cute. This is nice. So parametric modeling, as I said, they probably have the CAD somewhere over there, like the original file. Maybe it's this, I don't know. But essentially, you should be able to change it up. Yep, there you go. There are the parametric models. Sure. Yeah. So like you can change it up a little bit. This person, I don't know what software they use. It almost looks like Fusion, but it might actually be Fusion. But you can see, they've named this box wall thickness, and in like on the actual sketch, and when they came out over here and wrote an expression, so this is what it's equal to. It's gonna read off of this value, whatever you put in here, and I guess that's the actual value that it reads from the expression. And yeah, I like this. This is good. Now, currently I don't have a need for this, so I don't think I'm gonna download this, but nice. Very well made from the looks of it. Good job, my friend. Fusion, are you done yet? No. Interesting stuff, isn't it? My computer is upset. Okay, what I'm gonna do is probably ask it to cancel. Oh, hey. Yeah, I'm probably gonna ask it to cancel what it's doing right now. I'm gonna have to ask it to close. Oh, it closed. Yeah. Hold on, we have some, I'll just put that on for the time being. And then we can restart Fusion 360. Hopefully it saved some of the progress that I had, if not all of it. It usually does a pretty good job of that. I was saying like, hey, you've got something that went bad. You wanna take a look at it? And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. We'll find out what happens in this instance. Cool. Oh, hey, it's this song again. I think it's on shuffle. That's why. Neat. Okay. Where'd it go? Well, it has something saved up. Let's go back to mesh. Well, first let's simplify the mesh. Reduce. Selection of that. Type proportion. Base count. No, don't do that. 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 Don't. No. Okay. We might have saved it. Okay, cool. We did. First, let me check if this is actually scaled properly. Nope. Not what I wanted to do. Go back to solid. What is 1? No sketch? It appears to be scaled somewhat. So it's scaled fine, because it's not crazy, like negative 75 to positive 75, that's about 150, and then 100, I'm sorry, 50, 100, so 200 top. Yeah, seems right. That's about 4 inches tall. In total, at least, but we'll see. Mesh, so it's fine in that aspect. Now let's try and convert it to an actual mesh. Prismatic. Forgot we wanted to reduce it. Reduce this. Adaptive. What that means. Yeah, let's do a proportion. Might take a minute. We might have to reduce it several times, but let's see. Oh dear lord. It doesn't look as pretty as it does anymore, but hey, it's frankly probably a lot better. I do like that, you know, it's almost like a ANSYS scaling. Oh, interesting. That's a good thing I didn't do something funky. But I think we're ready now to convert this. And we... Oh no, I did the same mistake again. Oh no. Well, it's stuck. So I'm gonna put you oh, wrong one. There you go. I'm just gonna close the program. I don't think I wanna deal with the consequences. I'm gonna redo it and not make it prismatic. I'm gonna make it the good old way. Or it's gonna look... Ooh, it actually created a recovery file this time. Open. Nice. I'm gonna save it. And... Oh, wait. You guys can't see this. I just realized. Yay! Now you can. Yeah, now you can. Awesome. Yeah, what I was saying is, it created a recovery file, which is awesome. So that means I don't have to do all the shenanigans I just did. But now we can actually, you know, convert this into what it needs to be. But damn, look, I see why it was so fancy. Or why it was having such a tough time, because look at all those tiny little areas. Now we shall convert to what it already is. And it has more than 10,000 triangles. So let's see. Will I learn from my mistakes? Well, this is a new mistake. This is a different mistake. So we're about to find out. Still, I have no idea if I will actually learn from it or not. I'm taking that back. Of course we will. It's back. Yeah. Oh. You said it would take a considerable amount of time, but... Oh, never mind. I spoke to... Hey, it worked. A little bit funky, but it worked. The tire cage. Sorry, I was looking at what my whole team was doing. But it's back. Oh lord. Okay, I was doing a weird funky thing. Excuse me. Okay. At least it's a little bit happier now, and I can hopefully actually move it to where it needs to be. Will it let me move it? Oh, yes. Stop doing that! Lock. Nope. Okay, I think it doesn't necessarily like this. Okay, cool. So it's just gonna sit there now. Yeah, you know what? It's gonna be fine there. Move. Unground from parent. Why is it grounded? Unground. Now can I move you? Yes! Almost exact. Negative 24? I mean 30. Oh wait, I can snap too? Ain't no way it's that. Oh, that's because it's the center. That's not one. But you might be able to just, yeah. Excuse me. Thank you. Sketches. Where are you? There you are, and it appears to go right through the center of stuff. Success! And it only took us like a few hours. Mainly because it's been a while since I've worked with meshes. You'll have to forgive me for that one, but we got it. This isn't the original sketch, is it? No, I think it got deleted. Rip. I want to change its look to be something a little bit more easier to see with. Okay, now it's a sketch to this body. And I don't know why it's up there. So I think what I'm gonna do, delete this. Okay, cool. Now that it's an actual body, I can probably use one of these lines to start it. And origin, you can kind of sit there. Hello? Okay, it's not happy again. Wait, is it doing the thing that I wanted? Yeah. The amount of faces on this makes it very upset. Okay, now we can finally move in. Yeah, it looks alright. So that's the nice thing. So now I can actually go to the bottom and it'll be upside down. But it's okay, we'll just turn it around twice. And yes, I would like to sketch. Come on! Yeah, that's the one downside of using mesh bodies. It's just, there's so many faces, it's trying to figure things out. Stop. There we go. Did it work? Now let's do what we were supposed to do and hopefully be successful. Now I want the snap features when, you know, you're clearly not letting me. 2.5, 10.5, nope, that's 1.5, 10.5. Try that. this to be this. Oh wait, because it's already on there. So I guess it's just more so this between that, and that's gonna be, I think we put it as 85, so it's gonna be 85. I wonder what the issue with this one is. There we go. That's what I was trying to do a long time ago, but really just didn't want to do that. But where are we in terms of bodies? We are there, slightly offset, but I don't know. I don't even know at this point, but it's fine. What we are going to do is now mirror. Cool. And our mirror line is going to be our thingamabob, and hopefully it should have something out here somewhere. Okay, it's there. Yay, it's here. Okay, cool. Alrighty. What was I gonna do? Finish? Let's extrude. Please don't die. It's gonna die. Okay, it's cutting. Let it cut. Let it cut. Don't make it 5. It's upset. Okay, there we go. We can only be there. Yep, 0.5 is good enough. Nope, that's also fine. I'm gonna just say okay. And I hope we don't have too crazy. Look at that. Such a simple cutout. I don't like that it does that sometimes. Alright. Now for the whole picture thing. Now, I don't really have a photo. But we can create a fake photo? Well, first I'm gonna save this because that took a while to get to. Great timing for this song. Have we already gone through this entire playlist? No way. I'm gonna remove the shuffle and let it kind of just be where it is. Alright. So we've got the magnets in. So it should be good on that aspect. Now it's time for this. We need something to back it. Or at least something that'll kind of stick onto it. I wonder if I can essentially project this face out, see what it does. Actually, that is a thing we could do. It's just, first of all, I'm gonna change the body appearance. I'm gonna make it white for the sake of it. Plastic. White ABS. Wow, it looks exactly the same. Ay, ay, ay. Wait, I know how to make it look funky and not nice to me, at least. Shaded. Now it looks like a model. But hey, at least it gives me an idea of at least, of some of the curvature. Like the dimples. Weird. Yeah, that is, I don't know. Yeah, that's just weird to me. I'm usually, I mean, as a CAD person, you're usually using, like, the lines to see faces and stuff, but in this case, this is just weird. But at least it reduces the load on my everything. At least it doesn't look as terrible with this. At least now it looks manageable to understand. Alrighty. Now, I want to essentially create this. So, new component possibly? The real question is, I want to be able to make this thing kind of stick in there nice and easy. So, what I might do is I might make a little thingamabob. Hold on, I'm gonna check something real quick. I'm gonna grab myself a few nuts and see how well they kind of stick to this material. Because if I can just put 2 nuts instead of like a metal backplate, that's easy on me. Okay, it likes the nuts a lot, actually. A little too good. A little too well, sorry. So I'm gonna have to... So what I will do is I'll embed... Ooh, I don't even need the ones on top. I can just use the ones on the side, but I don't think that's gonna work very well. Yeah, I don't think that'll work very well, but it is what it is. Yeah. Because this will stick pretty well to the walls. And then this could, maybe one here and one here, can help take the nuts. But what I am afraid of is that the attraction between the nuts and the magnet, for these ones, if I put magnets either in here or in the back plate, it'll be stronger than, like, it'll want to hug the wall a little too much. But you know what they say. We live and we learn. So let's try it out. I mean, regardless, this is going to be a test print. I'm probably going to print just a little bit of it and then kind of have it there. So So let's go back to, wait, was it the sketch? Yes, it was the sketch. So I'm gonna edit the sketch. I'm gonna save it too. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Damn! I have some other magnets here that are like really, well, decently strong. So that I put the nut down. Sorry, the nuts down, and essentially went zoop. I'm gonna test the magnets again real quick. I mean, it's good enough to hold it. Which is kind of what we're trying to do here. So I might be using 2 more magnets. No! Don't do that. Okay. I've given it a nut to hold on to so that the magnet doesn't go flying everywhere. One down here and one down here. So let's see. Well, I don't really have anything for it on this aspect, so we can probably stick with, yeah, just that. Doesn't need to be too fancy or anything. 5, 10. This is probably a good time to start. Say L, and I guess it doesn't want to do that. W. That's funny. Anyways. Yeah, maybe side is probably a better bet, just because it's going to be easier for me to locate and do all the other shenanigans with it. Stop. And please work. Nope, it won't. Because that was a point, not a line. My bad. Nope, that's also not the right way of doing it. Let's see. Make it 52 for the sake of simplicity. Wow, look at that. And now, we can mirror it again. Why? That's what I wanted to do. Yay. Now we have that too. Cool. Now, finish? Sorry. Extrude. Oh, I can't edit? That's stinky. Can I see the sketch again, please? .5 is good. And is it happy with that? Does it want anything else? No, looks good to me. So it's good to go. Yep. That should be extrude number 2. Now that I'm thinking about it, how the hell am I gonna do this? It would need to be a super thin and the nuts aren't that thin. The nuts are like a couple. Yeah, the nut itself is about 2 millimeters. Well, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. We can work with it. Hello? Oh, okay, there we go. Cool. So now let's create something like kind of goes over it. Probably a little cutout over here, and then around, under, and yeah, I think that should be good. I'm gonna save that. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I have smaller nuts, which I know I do. I just need to pick them out so that it makes my job a little bit easier, and it also makes it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. So let's check that out. Alright, great news. I have nuts. I'm gonna check something because I have some class 8 nuts and then I have some unregulated nuts. Let's see. I guess what has the better. Well, these are cheaper. I'm gonna go with that. Plus, you don't really need class 8 nuts to hold something magnetically in something that's not, going under stress. So there's no reason for me to use the expensive, whatchamacallit, expensive and standard / tested nut when it would be completely unnecessary to do so. Okay, awesome. Let's go. Oh, did I get another M8? Yeah, that's an M8. Oh, sorry, a class 8. So right now, what I'm going to be using for the nuts are two M2 nuts. Some standard nuts, and they're approximately as thick as the magnets themselves, so that's good. So, yeah. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I guess it would make a little bit more sense for the nuts to be embedded in here and the actual magnets to be inside the flat print. But let's see what happens. No. Let's not see what happens. Let's actually make a proper estimate of what the hell should we do. Because I would like one down here. This one's there, so I don't want to mess with that. So what I can do is pull this one down here. Oh no, I left something out. Do I have any scrap pieces? Okay. Oh no, I have more nuts. Well, it definitely comes out easy, or it comes off easy enough. I just hope it stays that way, because it's gonna be weird. Wait, M3 0.5? Nuh-uh. No way, this is 0.5 millimeters. No way. Hold on, I need to bring out a machinist ruler. Give me a second. Okay, I have a machinist rule. What is a machinist rule, you may ask? Or a ruler, you may ask? Well, it is a metallic ruler that 0 starts from the edge of it rather than like, you know how your standard rulers for like the plastic ones, they start the 0 kind of like slightly offset from the edge. This one starts at the edge. And usually, I wouldn't say they're calibrated, but like they're kind of meant to be used as a ballpark estimate. And so if they're kind of off, that's not a good thing. Trying to about 2 millimeters. So this might not have worked in the first one. 2.5 thick. Hey. Okay, I really don't know millimeters anymore because this is measuring as 1, 2, 3, 4 millimeters wide. Definitely 10 millimeters tall, yeah, so that's good. 4 millimeters wide. Approximately 2 millimeters thick. We're gonna make it 2.5 in. So this is where parametric modeling would come in quite handy, because now I don't have to go into the model and change it all by hand. I can just do it without touching the sketch. I can just go into my like configurations and change it up from there. 4.5. Nice. That's still the same 10.5 if I'm not wrong. Yep. That's good. And then this will also be changed to 4.5. Good. And you can see it changes it accordingly, and this should be good. Nice. That should be good. Nice. Yeah. Maybe I'll make this 50. Oop, that's 50. Slightly offset again, but yeah, honestly at this point, does it really matter? 51? It only changed the sketch, not the actual extrusion. Dear Lord, it's thinking. Yeah, you can probably tell when Fusion goes into its crashing mode when you can't see my cursor anymore. Good times, am I right? Come on. Do the thing. Not again. Angela. Looks like things aren't too bad. It's still trying to figure out what to do. This might have been a bad idea. Dear Lord. No, cannot delete individuals' faces to delete the whole body. I don't want to delete the whole body. I just want you to change. Dissolve? No, that's not what I wanted to do either. Control Z. Please let me take it back. Okay. Oh wait, you guys can't see. Yeah, so right now, the not so good thing about Fusion sometimes is that it does that. And usually when you're working on a component, it does a pretty decent job of keeping track of what the hell you're doing. So this is not optimal, but it's not the end of the world. Reason being, because we could just overwrite it. So new extrusion. Give me that, and that. Two sides. We can do this one. I mean, this should be... Two and a half. 2.5. doesn't stay magnetic after it's been exposed to a magnet, which is kind of cool. But well, seems to be working. Come on. Do the thing, Fusion. Yeah. Okay, cool. Give me it. There we go. I was like, come on, cat mouse. Do your thing. And it was nice enough to do the thing. Alrighty. Now we can start off with this piece. New component. Sick. Alrighty. Ooh, fancy. No, I need you. No, well, actually, wait a second. And then... Oh no. Sorry about the tongue clicks. Nice. Nope, go back. Edit. Okay, cool. What I'm gonna do is create a hole. Line. That's not a line. Oh wait, it is a line. Nope. I don't know what the hell. spatial audio. Oh wait, no, come back. Yeah. I guess it's more towards the end of the song than it is on the actual song. Ooh, it didn't like it. It. Quite upset with that, actually. Give me a second. I will be right back. My mom's texting me. Alright, back to work. What? Oh. Interesting. How can I make this like... Well, hold on. So that is... Wow. Yeah, I'm not exactly too sure how to make this straight and keep it straight. Well, at least that helps it stay like that. Maybe there are some hidden lines I didn't see. But... yeah, let's try and figure it out. Okay. Yeah, I'm not too sure how to make this. Oh. I was gonna say how to make it straight, but clearly it's not happy. Well, that works, I think, to an extent. Let's see how this affects the sketch. Well, oh. No, it does that. Which is not. That's not right. Something. But that ain't it, Chief. Is it not connected? It is connected, so what's the issue? Yeah, that's also an issue. How do I... Well, the real question is, how should I, make this straight? Hmm. Yeah, it's not doing what I wanted to do. Can I just... Yeah, I guess that works. Now it's just fixed, so it can't go anywhere. Now within this, we need to create subscribed? So from edge to edge, approximately 5 millimeters, so 2.5. That should work. And from tip to tip, well, from tip to tip, I have no idea at the moment, but I'm getting there. Approximately 6-ish. We'll see. Cool. Almost 53.25. Yeah. It was that one. Well, that's good. And then that's been done. I can then make it coincident to a line. Or I guess collinear to a line. Nope, doesn't like that. Okay, cool. Collinear. So that... No, coincident. It should be coincident to a line. So that and that. Yes. Okay, now what's the issue? Oh, it probably wants to be like, hey, which way do you want me? How should I rotate? Yep. To be honest, it doesn't matter to me, but since you asked, I would like you to be vertical. Maybe I should have made this thinner. Well, we're about to find... We'll see what happens. Because I think it being that tall might be an issue, but... As they say, we live and we learn. We YOLO and we swag. We young money. That is what they say after all. Yeah, I really hope stuff like this doesn't get me. in a cringy situation later. Okay. Nice. We'll make that. Ooh, and it's going in the wrong way. So -3. Oh, 3. Yeah. Should be good enough. Or maybe I should cut it in. Dear Lord. It does not like that. How about 3? It has crashed yet again. The good old wiggle wall. Oh no. Oh my, oh my. Oh no, wait. Well, did it work? No, I don't think it did. But what does it look like it did? Did it? Yep, it did. It did. It did what it wasn't supposed to. Well, actually no, this is... Hold up a minute. I want to see something. Oh. Yeah, that's not right. Well, it looks like it's part of it. It just made it skinnier, but not in a good way. Yeah. Yeah, not supposed to happen. Okay. Change it. Hey, you. And just say finish sketch because they should still be good. Yep, still looks like a frame. Max I can cut into that is about like 2. I think what we should do is what I expected, which is reverse. But somehow I need to keep that. Challenges. That's the name of the game. Yeah. 55. Let's see. Does do it. Doesn't get happy about it. Let's do 56. Okay, fine. 57. $65 seems fine. Yeah, it looks a lot more decent to me. We're probably still gonna have some issues. Because I need to make this 3 millimeters thick. And that's gonna have its own set of challenges. I'm gonna save it like this for now. Sketch. Yep, nope, yep, 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 yep. Gonna make new body. I need you to be offset. To the edge of that. And, well, not the distance. I want the offset to be that. Oop. -3. Gonna just do a quick inspection. Now this should be like 2.5, which isn't what I want, but it's just a quick inspection. Okay, it's getting there. It's extrude 1. Can I go back to you, please? Or don't tell me I have to. Yeah, this is the one downside of Fusion 360 is that sometimes when you're working with weird geometry or imported stuff, it doesn't seem to like that. I wonder why it does that. I'm gonna just redo it. Point. Three. Negative. And then we're gonna bring you back alive. Extrude you and you. And you're gonna be offset by -3, delete 3.0. Nope, 0.3. What? Oh. There we go. Hee. Okay. Should be what I want it to be. And 3. Yep, that's about right. So that's the backing for the time being. I'm gonna chamfer this in a little bit. Just that it's a tad bit more accessible to someone who's trying to remove this. Let's look at it with the body there. Should be able to. Actually, I might go back to it, and of course it won't let me. Nope, C is not for chamfer. Yep, that works for me. That's great. Now let's try and see what happens if we try and pull it in a little bit. That component's done. We go back to this one. Show me the body. Nice. Here's a challenge. I need this thing to jut out a little bit. How can I do that? Can I press pull it? That would be nice. But I don't think it would allow me to do that, at least with this. Let's try. No. I'm gonna try this one. I know I should probably be naming these, but it is Funky Town. Can I choose? Uh-oh. Oh, I can only choose uniform. Cancel in. I'm gonna see what it looks like in Prusa Slicer real quick. Let's do that. Let's see what it looks like first, because I know this will be too much of a distance for the magnets to kind of do their thing. If it's enough distance, then I'm honestly very surprised. But yeah, ooh. I might have a terrible idea, which is just pull this out, but that doesn't make me very confident. Yeah, because if we do that, at least there's some. I don't know. We'll see. We'll test it. Let's do a test. Save it for now. I'm just gonna start heating up the bed. That's what I meant to say. File, export, frame underscore, I don't know, modified. MF, export. I hope it exports it both and not just one piece at a time. Because no, I did choose 3MF, right? Row. Oh, they did the thing. Yes. So gonna put that in. Oh, it's half screen. My bad. Here's the full screen. There we go. I know it's outside the oh yeah, I forgot. CAD mouse doesn't work too well in this, but at least it's nice and smooth. Maybe like that. Nope, that's not what it was supposed to pull out. Oh, wait, it's probably because it still hasn't saved. But yeah. Okay, hold on. File, import. Oh. No. Delete that one. Yeah, I know. No. You get to also be that way. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. Yeah, that's fine. You can be there. I'm fine with that. So slow. Alright. I wonder, can I use this volume as a way of cutting out the other one? Like, look at it. It's so cute looking. So how about this? Ooh. Now I can see what issues there are. Okay. Rotate. Come on. Hey, why is it higher up? It's not supposed to be that way. Control Z. Ah, there we go. I'm gonna import it from scratch all the way again. Modified. Open. No. Control A. Rotate. Sorry, I lost my bearing there for a second. Oop, there we go. Seems to be fine like that. I wonder if I can subtract volume. Add negative. Dear Lord, no, it's not gonna be. Escape. Can I make it negative? First, let me see how big this is. Well, it's actually going to be more like that. So, measure. Actually, still no. It would be more. There. To. There. Which is like 5 inches. 120. I have a machinist ruler right here. 4 and 3/4 almost. Maybe about. Maybe a tad bit smaller. But I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try modifying the what 3 open edges. Yeah. Let's try making it 200. That is not too bad. And it should be double the shenanigans, so that should have enough space. And then if I were to cut it, this might be an issue. But if I were to cut this out from it, then that's good. Advanced. Make it negative. Probably shouldn't have done this one. Oh, sorry. If it looks really weird on your screen. Well, I guess that's more so like it, but let's see what happens. It's gonna be funky. Like, real funky. Oh. Huh? Seems to be okay. Huh? Oh, wait. No, it's not okay with it. Dinner, first layer, object input. Change type. Oh. Delete. Can I make a copy of this? Oh. Mesh body 1. Hmm. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be interesting. Please work. 12 hours, dear lord. And it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Stinky. What's the issue? I mean, yeah, of course I will plan on it, but like... Oh lord, what have I done? are you? I didn't mean to do that. Modifier. Add negative. Hmm. I mean, that seems to be right about where it needs to be. So I'm trying to figure out what the issue could be that it doesn't want to do what it is supposed to do. Because it's cutting right in, which is great. But beyond that, why it no do what it needs to do? Slice. Hopefully it works. I hate that. Well, that's better. Let me see if I can split this just a tad. Split. No. 2.01. That would be cool, but that's also a lot. Ooh. Not what I want, but sure, planar it is. Yeah, this piece. This piece can be deleted. The rest of it can be kept. Sorry if this movement of my of how I do things is a little weird and unsettling. I know you have print stability issues, dude. Well, that's weird. That I don't want. That's weird. Everywhere. Hold on, let me just make sure that my printer is okay. I'm gonna make this into organic. Still, oh, there we go. Neat. Now I'm gonna just go back to this. Gonna hide. I'm gonna add another negative mass. I think it's 3? That's supposed to be 3. It's supposed to be 1.5. Well, 3.3, but ain't no way that's 3 millimeters. I mean, sinking. Oh. Oh, I accidentally changed the, this should be 5. Nope. 5. I'll make it 6. I wish there was rather than redoing this, I would like if there was a little thing where it was just like, you know, make it negative. Delete. Add shape. Nope. I need to do this, and then can't do that. So I need to add shape. Cylinder. Make it negative. This, and then modifier. Cylinder. Generic cylinder. Change type. Oh. I guess that's how I do it then. Hold on. Can I choose cylinder? Change type. Apparently not. Settings? Nope. No! Yeah, I think I need to add 2 modifiers. Oh! 6. And 6. This one. Change type. Negative volume. 6. 6. Now move this one. Whoa. Okay, does not like that. Can I move you? No. Oh. Uh, 200. 300. Can I? What? Okay. Hmm. For the time being. Hmm. Yeah, that's not good. Can I put you in here? Yeah. Uh. We are learning. Did I do something wrong here? I did something wrong. It's alright. Yay. This is quite the shenanigans. And it's not doing everything that I needed to. Because it's supposed to go over that. It's just not doing it. Yeah, it's not doing what I needed to do. So let me go back here. 4. No. Actually, maybe. I think it's 6. And same thing with the other one. 6. Let's see what happens. That's something better. Well, it's doing something. But why is it so damn deep? I think it thought that it was being yoinked up. What in the world? That's not what it was supposed. Frame cut is supposed to be 3. That's been half the issue this entire time. Put it down on the ground, please. Yep. Slice now. That can be deleted. If I see those hexagons again, I'm gonna be quite upset. These can be broken off a little bit. I'm gonna measure. Okay, let's just see what happens. And then we can put the supports everywhere. Hmm. Actually, I'm gonna change the infill to lightning. This is gonna be really light. And it's just gonna do what it needs to do. Yeah. It's this part that I'm kind of worried about. It's like, it starts off at 3.5. That's 1. That's 1.5. Just go all the way at least up to here before it can become the real deal. So what I'm gonna try and do is... Oop. Hey, that's not what it was supposed to be, but alright. What about this? How about 2%? Maybe that'll give it enough that it can do its thing. This has been quite the journey, modifying something that was supposed to be a simple print. Nope. Well, nope. It... What? No. What did it do now? Ay. Put it down. Oh, that's better. $3.5. It's not doing what I want it to do. But it's getting better. Well, it keeps on reverting. It doesn't revert that. But it reverts this. Why? Hmm. Well, it does that, and then everything goes down. So 102, make that go up. 102, 100. Make this 105 goes up. Huh? Huh? I'm so confused now. Very confused. Let's try it out now. Let's see what happens. That's 4.1. .3. Did it get smaller? And I bet you this is fine. What the hell? Hold on then. Yep. Nope. It was just never on the floor. Ay, ay, ay. Hopefully this is it. Inshallah, this is it. Please. .5. .3. To be 5.5. Or maybe like this then. Because usually it doesn't come off that easy. Let's say 3.2 and then 5.5. 3 at least. Yeah. Okay, so this is good. That will look normal. Let's see what happens when, yes, transfer. I want to see what happens when, ooh, dear Lord, what am I doing? So it looks, it's a 6 frame, which is a lot better than 12 hours. And then 1, 2, starts at, let's just say 3.2. Okay, that kind of works for me. Because even if you consider it to be 3.5, kind of does it at 5.6, but eh. At this point, I'm just ready to just send it like this. But what's this? Well, at least it won't shatter. Quote unquote. No, it will shatter. I bet. I mean, it's worth a shot. Let's see what happens. Because that'll be closed, and those will be closed. And this, I might stuff something in there. Yeah. At least it kind of works. I'm gonna save project as modified underscore. Let's see what happens. Pretty sure my thing is now like Yep, it did. Alrighty, I think I'm done here for today. It's been a long minute. So yeah, let's keep it at that. Let's see what happens. Hopefully good things. Inshallah. But yeah, we'll see. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. The right thing to do would just be this, but alright, everyone. Oh no, don't tell me you couldn't see any of... Okay, thank God. Okay, it's just because I closed the window. Dear Lord, I was scared to death. Well, thank you everyone for watching. I will hopefully see you sometime in the future. But I was hoping that this was going to be quick and then I could continue on with the robotic arm project, but things happen. That's just the field of engineering. It was unexpected and you gotta find a solution at the end of the day. So right now we're in our prototype and test phase and hopefully things work out. Till then, see you guys later. Good luck. And bye-bye.